Hi, my name is Yevgeny and I'm a designer by day and developer by night. And today I would like to introduce to you my new plugin, Mask Master. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. Mask Master is designed to give you full control over your masking in Figma. If you have an image and you open the plugin, you are presented with a canvas-style UI on which you can zoom around, move of course, and make selections on your image. And let us start. So what can we do here? Aside from the tools, we have some preview adjustments where we can enhance our image or apply various filters to it in order to make it easier to make our selections. For now, I think I can work with the image as is and will keep it as it was rendered from the start. Let us check out the tools. We have a classical set of tools for mask selection. One of them being the magic wand, which, as you can imagine, selects a region from your mouse position. And if you hold the Shift key, you can add to your selection. Holding the Alt-Shift key does the opposite and removes from your selection, of course. For now, let us go over through the whole image and just see how it works. We can add this little region too, and this little region. And here, this is looking quite well. What we also can do, of course, is we can revert our selection. So we can simply press this button or the letter I in order to revert what we have selected. We also have more tools at our disposal aside from the powerful magic wand. We also have the picker, which works in a similar fashion, but the picker is able to select on the whole image instead of the region we are starting to work on. For example, if we start in this region, the picker, of course, also selects pixels in the threshold outside of this region. Also here we can hold the Shift key in order to add to our selection. Now we realize that we have gotten a few gaps in the image itself due to the picker. How can we solve this? We can of course just start and make a new selection. But assuming the rest around was quite good, what we can do is our third tool, which is the brush. And the brush allows us to, I should have hold Shift Alt key, to simply paint on our selection and add and remove from it. So in this particular case, since I'm very satisfied with what I have on the outline, I would simply go inside and fix this mask a little bit, just like this. And there we have some more gaps here and also here. Let us see. Maybe I would make this little tiny adjustment, and now I'm very satisfied. So at this point, all I want to do is to invert my selection and actually put this image onto my canvas. One thing I can do before putting it onto my canvas is to smoothen the edge. It depends on my use case. I would choose a 3-pixel smooth edge now. And once I hit apply, here we go. We have our image, and the image is properly masked on our canvas. And this is the power of the Mask Master. I hope it can help you as much as it helps me, because I find it very handy to make selections in images, which I can do faster than, for example, background removal plugins, or sometimes I don't want to just remove a background, but indeed make a custom selection. For this purpose, Mask Master comes in handy. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you try out the tool, and I'm looking forward to the feedback, as I'm really looking forward to improve it based on that. All the best to you, and see you next time.